Hello my dear cute children. So today's class we are going to learn one more concept. You know what is that? That is an adjective. Let's start our class. Today you are going to learn about an adjectives. See, okay children. You know what is an adjective? Just definition is here. Look at the word. Adjective. A-D-J-A-C-T-I-V-E-S. Adjectives. How do you pronounce that? Adjectives. Are you understanding now? Okay, fine. See, come to the definition. Adjective is a word that describes noun. They tell about the size, shape, color of the object. Just look at the board. Adjective is a word that describes noun. They tell about the size, shape, color of the object. You know what is noun? See, if you know the definition of noun, then only you can understand the adjective. Because in definition, what are they going to tell you, you know? Just look here now. Adjective is a word that describes the noun. Okay. Adjective is going to describe the noun. You know what is noun? Noun is the names of birds, animals, things, places, isn't it? And persons. For example, animals names. You know, lion, tiger, cheetah, cow, dog, puppy, kitten. And birds names, peacock, sparrow, pigeon. Then many birds are right. Then things names, chair, table, pen, then house, mobile, a textbook, box. These are the things names, right? Then persons names like Bharat, Amulya, Mala, then Manoj, then Chinmay, isn't it? So, persons names, animals names, birds names, things names and places names finally. Places names means like Kottur, Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad. You know countries names also. America, Russia, Australia, China. So like places names, temple, hospital, park. So these are the places names. So for all these, what do we call for those, you know? Nouns. Okay. Nouns are naming words. So, adjective is a word that is describe the noun. You know, adjective that is going to describe the noun. It means, what is this? This is a pencil, right? This is a noun. Now, describe means it is going to explain. So, this is the noun. Pencil is a noun. I am going to describe this thing. This is the long pencil. This is in black color. See here, long. Long is a adjective. Okay. Black. Color. Color is an adjective. Just look at the board here. They tell about the size. You come to know, right? So, this is a long size, right? Good. Now, shape. Okay. This is in cylinder shape. Next to color. This is in black color. Are you understanding now? See, adjective is a word that describes noun. They tell about size, shape, color of the object. Object, nothing but thing. Okay. You are calling things, right? Instead of things, we are calling objects. Are you understanding now? So, I will tell you now some more example. Okay. I hope that you have understood that definition, right? Just I am going to tell you one more time. Adjective is a word that describes the nouns. They tell you about the size, shape, color of the object. Okay. Are you watching the thing now? This is the one thing, right? So we are putting the name. This is the ring. Okay. Plain thing, right? This is a ring ball. Okay. You know, now I am going to describe this thing. How does the ring ball? First I am going to tell about the size. This is in small size, right? This is a small ring ball. And shape. This is in circle shape. Are you watching now? This is in circle shape. Then color. This is in yellow color. I hope that you are understanding very well. Just look at the thing. You know what is this thing? This is a water bottle. See, water bottle is empty. Is there water here? There is no water in this bottle, right? Yes. So we are calling this is the empty bottle. So bottle is a noun, empty is an adjective. So empty is an adjective. Now I am going to describe this thing, right? This is the noun, empty is an adjective. Empty bottle. Are you understanding now? Then this is in which shape? This is in cylinder shape. You know what is the shape of this bottle? Cylinder. Are you understanding now? See, look here children. Adjective is going to describe the noun of the size, shape, color, right? So first one is size. I am going to tell about the sizes. Just look at the board. Sizes. You know which are the sizes have you seen? Just look at the board now. B-I-G, big. Big size. S-M-A-L-L, small size. Okay. L-O-N-G, long size. S-H-O-R-T, short size. Huge. Huge means very big. Tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny means very small. Okay. Are you watching this thing? You know what is this? This is the globe. You have watched already, right? This is the globe. Now you can describe this thing now. How does it? This is in round shape. Okay. Now I am going to tell about what is the shape of the globe. This is in round shape. Okay. What is the size of the globe? This is the big globe. What is the color of the globe? This is in sky blue. Isn't it? So, look here children. Just look this thing. What is this? First to remember the nouns. What is this thing? This is the leaf. How does the leaf? What is the size of the leaf? This is the big leaf. Okay. See, big. It is an adjective, right? This is the big leaf. Just look here now. See now, this is also leaf, right? How does this leaf? This is a small leaf. See, big leaf, small leaf. Both these are the leaves, right? Are you seeing now difference between a big leaf and small leaf? Okay, fine. This is the big and this is the small. So both we are calling adjectives. Next, long. You know already, right? See, this bottle is long size, right? Fine. Now, short. See, this pen cap is very short. This is a short cap. Next, huge. See, I am going to give example for the huge. Huge means that's very big. Have you seen banyan tree? How does look like that? See, that is very huge tree. Huge means not only a big, more than that. Huge tree, huge monkey. Okay, huge means very big. Next is short. Already you know that, right? Huge. Then tiny. Tiny means very small. See, small, already you know this adjective, right? Tiny means very small. Okay. Little less than small. We are calling tiny. Those are very small. That is also an adjective. Already you know in first standard, right? 12 tiny tadpoles. How does look like a tadpoles? Tadpoles are very small, right? Those are very tiny tadpoles. So big, small, long, short, huge, tiny. These are the all adjectives. Comes in the sizes. Shape. What is the next point? shape. S-H-A-P-E. So shapes. Already you have learned in the mathematics class, right? Basic shapes. You have learned which are the shapes comes in the basic shapes. Rectangle, square, okay. Then triangle. These shapes you have learnt, isn't it? So solid shapes also you have learnt. All these shapes comes in the shapes. So you have said shapes names, right? Those are comes in the adjective. Okay, just I am going to write now. Look here now. Shape. First one I am going to write square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Rectangle. Square. Rectangle. Circle. Cylinder. And round. See now, these are the shapes, right? See now, these are the shapes, right? Square, rectangle, circle, cylinder, round. Not only this cone shape, okay. Then comes what is that? Hexagon. Many shapes comes. Just look at the thing now. You know what is this? This is the book. Okay, we are calling it is a book. How does look like this? This is in rectangle shape. Are you watching now? This is in which shape now? Rectangle shape. So rectangle is an adjective. Next to have seen box. How does look like? Box is in square shape. Have seen bangle. How does look like? In circle shape. Isn't it? See now. Okay. Already have seen the bangles, right? This is the bangle. See, it is in circle shape. Okay. Now cylinder. Already you know the shape of the bottle, right? This is in cylinder shape. Next to round. Okay. You know how does it look like a ball? That is in round shape. See, okay children, come to the colors. C-O-L-O-U-R-S. Colors. You know which are the colors? Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. W-H-I-T-E. White. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. P-I-N-K. Pink. And etc. See, and not only these shapes comes, many shapes also. Okay, then sizes also comes, etc. Look here children, these are the colors. Black, blue, white, green, yellow, pink and etc. These are all comes in the adjectives. Okay. See now you hope now I hope that understand you, right? See, adjective is a word that describe noun. So nouns are naming words, animals, birds, things, persons, places, names, right? So they tell about the size, shape and color of the object. So I am going to write here sizes. Which are the sizes comes you know, big, small, long, short, huge, tiny, etc. Next to shapes, square shape, rectangle, circle, cylinder, round, etc. Next to colors, black, blue, white, green, yellow, pink and etc. Okay. So these are all adjectives. Just look here children. What is this thing? This is a rose, right? So just you can describe the rose. How does it look like? Just you know, this is a beautiful rose. Just look at the board. How does the rose? B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. How does it look like? Beautiful rose. Okay. What is the color of the rose? Pink rose. P-I-N-K, pink rose. How does it look like? Is it a big rose or small rose? Okay, small rose, right? So this is a small rose. See for the one thing we are getting here 3 adjectives. Beautiful, pink, small. Isn't it? See, many nouns are in our surrounding, right? So we are going to describe all those with the help of adjectives. So like we are going to describe the nouns with the help of adjectives. Okay? Dear children, I hope that today's class you have understood about the adjectives, right? So wherever you can see the noun, just you can describe that. How that thing is, what is the shape of thing, what is the color of thing, what is the size of thing. Just you can ask the questions. Then you are getting answers, right? Already know that thing. That is a pen. How does that look like? Just ask the questions. Shape, color and size. Then you are getting adjectives. Are you understanding now? So until you can practice all these adjectives, definition of the adjectives, examples of the adjectives, okay, and you can practice on it.